Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to clear the cache in the application Facebook on your Android phones. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. In order to clear the cache in Facebook, we need to go to Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and open the Apps app. Then open Manage Apps. Now in the search box, we're going to enter Facebook. Open it up. Then we're going to find Storage. And here we have Total, App Size, User Date, and Cache. We click Clear Date, and we click Clear Cache. OK. After that, as you can see, we were able to clear the cache in our Facebook app. That's how easy it is, literally in 1 minute. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Thank you very much for watching. This method works absolutely on any phone. So try, write, and use. Thank you all. Goodbye.